My electric Greenworks tiller won't start. A brick got lodged in the tines. I removed it and now won't start.
Do you know the model of your Greenworks tiller? How old is it?
New. TLOABOO.
How long has this been going on with your Greenworks tiller? What have you tried so far?
Just happened. I unplugged it, removed the brick, checked to see if anything else was lodged in it. Plugged back in and tried to start it.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No.
Hello, I'm Sean. I've been helping homeowners with maintenance, repairs and improvements for over 30 years, and I appreciate the opportunity to help with your inquiry. I'm sorry to hear you are having trouble with your tiller. I understand how annoying these things can be. My goal is to quickly help resolve the issue to your satisfaction. I will be happy to answer any follow-up questions you may have. Please allow some time for my responses. When an electric motor is suddenly stopped, the circuit will become overloaded and the house circuit breaker could possibly be tripped. Your tiller has an overload protection device to protect the motor from damage in the event that it is suddenly stopped. The device on the tiller should reset itself after 4 minutes, but you might have to reset the house breaker for the outlet you were using. I hope this information helps with the issue you are having. Please do let me know if you have further questions regarding this issue.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.